ShuttleSky Lifts and Structures has completed one more DDA flat project. This is in sector 13, Rohini, and you can see the finishing work that the company has done. Let me show you the interiors as well. This is very recently inaugurated. You can see the proper alignment of the ACP sheet. You can see the finishing work that the company has done. This is a 6 passengers elevator, 408 kgs. You can see the perimeter glass door badging here. This is a completely branded lift. You will not be able to feel acceleration or deceleration at all. The cabin is also, design is also quite good. Here we are at the 4th floor.